Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So today I actually wanted to share my updated nail polish collection. So I recently upgraded all of my stuff, so I'm so excited to share with you guys. Alright, so I keep all of my nail polish stuff and other stuff in this big wardrobe thing here. So I have all my gel polishes and regular nail polishes in this part, and then in these two drawers I have more of my like gel X stuff, nail prep stuff, tools in here, and then I keep my bigger things in here I'll go over later. So let's first go into my nail polish and gel polishes. Okay, so I call this my nail polish shelf. So I got these on Amazon. I forgot how many came in the pack, but I have leftovers, so I thought I would use them for this. So in this one, I just have my top coat, base coats, some cuticle oil in there, and some other nail prep items. And then in these 5 containers here, I have my JODSONE gel polishes. These are like 100 gel polishes that I have on here. And then this last container has all of my normal nail polish that is not gel. I don't have a lot of normal nail polishes because I do really like gel polishes, and I do kind of prefer gel nail polish. So in the way back of the shelf, this is a body oil that I keep in here in this one because the top shelf doesn't fit this body oil because it's so tall. So this is the only shelf that can fit this huge body oil. Then I have 2 acetones. This one is just a pour over one, and then this one has that like little push-up thing that you can use. And then also in the way back, I have my 3 Après things. So this is the Extend Gel, all crusty. I have the Après Primer and the Après Bonder. I didn't mean to drop that. Let's go into the first drawer. Okay, in this first drawer, I just have all of my kind of fake nail stuff in here and some nail tools. It's a little messy right now just because sometimes I'm lazy and I just throw when I'm putting everything away. I'm lazy, so I just like throw everything. If I'm lazy, I just throw everything in here, which I shouldn't be, but I do. So this is all my tools, like my nail file. Actually, so this one is all of my files, and then in the middle I just keep. So I think this is red carpet. Yeah, so this is red carpet cleanser, and then remover. I don't use red carpet things anymore, so I think I'm going to throw these 2 things away. And then I have this buffer thing. I keep all my tools in the back one. So these are also all of these are also from Amazon. So next we have my fake nail stuff. So we have the Après nails, and I do have some Olive and June press-ons. Then I do have some guides or little manuals, extra tips that I don't use anymore, and then a nail cutter. In the back, I have a nail stamper thing that I don't use. I have my old dip powder stuff that I don't even use anymore because the little dip powder things are so tiny, and I don't like how tiny these are, so I don't prefer to use those. And then I have a chrome powder that I absolutely love in the back. And then this is a cuticle cream that I sometimes do use, other times I do not. I'm going to start using these again. Let's go into the last drawer. This drawer is all of my like lamps and my or all my bigger items. So like a lamp, my nail polish or gel and nail polish remover, my Gel X lamp, and I also have my Savvyland e-file, which I do think I want to upgrade to the Kiara Sky nail drill, because I mean I do like this one. It's great for starting, but I think I definitely do want to upgrade. And then I do have a mat back here. It's just a clear, like, kind of a desk mat that I use for when I do my dip powders or really any type of nail application that I'm doing. I have my mat there. So that was everything in my nail polish collection. I hope you all enjoyed today's video and see you guys in the next one. Bye!